Dear Sherry, can you smoke decarboxylated cannabis? Also, how long is decarbed weed good for? Thank you. Well, that's a good question. And yes, you absolutely can smoke decarbed cannabis. And I'm going to point you to some research done by Ardent Cannabis, makers of one of my favorite cannabis cooking gadgets, the Ardent FX. Decarboxylator and infuser, but Ardent does a lot of lab testing on their products, and I'm going to put links below. One to a discount coupon code if you do want to get the FX, but also to some research that they did about smoking decarbed cannabis. Now, according to Ardent, you will get more out of your cannabis if you decarb it before smoking. Now, I can't say that I've ever personally felt a difference from smoking decarbed cannabis, and actually, if I'm being really honest, I don't like the flavor of it nearly as well as cannabis that has not been decarbed. But to answer your question, yes, you can smoke decarbed cannabis and get really powerful effects from it. But you also are going to decarb cannabis from the process of smoking or vaping it. Why? Because you're adding heat to it, and heat decarboxylates cannabis. And if you don't know what decarboxylation is, I'm going to put a link in the comments below to a tutorial that I did about what it is, why you might need it, and how to decarb if you do want to decarb your cannabis. But yes, you can smoke decarbed cannabis. And to your second question, how long does decarbed cannabis last? I'm going to point you to another study that Ardent Cannabis did. And they find, I mean, cannabis lasts more or less indefinitely. I mean, they found ancient cannabis in tombs that still had some potency, but it time and age decarbs it naturally, even without heat. So if you have old cannabis, you don't need to decarb. It is already decarbed. The other thing that was interesting that Ardent found in their studies is that if you decarb your cannabis over time, it will lose a little bit of potency. It's not a significant amount, but it did lose a little bit of potency. So, in general, because of that, I advise decarbing fairly soon before you're going to use it rather than decarbing a whole lot in advance and just letting it sit there. Hope this helps, and I will see you all next time.